bilisan.
Ow, it's still hot. Ito lang fried yung isa. So it's currently 7:30. I woke up about 2 hours ago at around 5 a.m. I'm going to go to university to meet up with my friend to work on a few things that we missed out. Now I'm cooking myself some breakfast, so let's get to that. This makes my curls last literally all day. These hold better than actual curlers. Like, I don't know why, but it actually just does.
Hi guys, I'm taking over Chel's. Oh my god, may bangs. Hinahanap niyo ba si Chel? Nasa harapan ko siya. Paano to ibang? Nababakam, no? Oh my god. Nilitaw yung pagkabobo ko sa iPhone.
To vlog the whole duration after we ate. So I have a haul. I got a few things from H&M. So I got these two like tank tops. Like, it's black and white. It's an inner clothing, if you know what I mean, because I bought a sheer top. There you go. It's like an office top. Like, you can wear it with some jeans. Here's a basic like top that I can wear with jeans as well. So here I have the most different of what I bought. This is a green top. I think it's too big for me. Yeah, but like, you know, I think it's fine. So that basically ends this day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi, it's already next day. Right now, I'm just gonna cook some breakfast. Anyway, I am gonna go get ready now. I'm gonna go get ready in like 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take a little quick rest because I feel weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch a little TikTok and I'm gonna go take a bath. guys, so I'm already back home and I got the bag. Bag is secured. Let me show you why this is so much better than the other one that I have. This has a zipper. The thing is, I don't want to bring this around because it doesn't have a zipper. Living around in Manila can get you, you can get robbed so easily. And I don't want to get robbed or stolen anything from me. So this H&M bag is a good choice. It's gonna help me. Aside from that, I also got a few pieces of jewelry from H&M. They're not real or anything, but like, they're cute. Also, I went to Daiso. I sit down for this one. It's really hot. It's really freaking hot. But I grabbed a few things from Daiso. So I have a few things. And the first one I got is this plate. So cute. As that pre-design is only 98 pesos. Let me now show you the stars of the show, why I went there, because I love the color green. And I got these cute ass mugs. It was buy one take one for 98 pesos, so that's a steal. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. I love the color green, so I got these. They have those tiny little spot thingies and they're good for the coffee or some tea. The last thing, two things that I got is this alcohol spray that I can be put on the bag that I just bought. And also I got this clothes mask, like it's a washable mask. Oh, I'm gonna try out these. Let's see if they look good on me or not. May baho siya. So I thought it was gonna be like the type to yung parang ano malapat that you clasp it on. But like it's not like that. Kailangan mo ng pakaw. They're cute. Oh my god. So right now I'm just gonna clean up this mess. I'm getting rid of any trash that's here. So yeah. Some pesto pasta. Got the goods. Okay, I think I did pretty well on this. But the important part is how does it taste? It's like pesto pasta. Could use some Parmigiano Reggiano, but I don't have that right now, so I'm gonna stick to that. It's already around 6:30 and I'm just gonna chill. I seriously don't want to do anything anymore. I just feel tired. I just update my story script and I think that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the night. And I'm gonna journal. Yeah, that's it. So today it's already Friday and I'm gonna go to Cubao and I'm gonna sell the laptop finally. Right now I'm just getting ready really quick. I'm kind of in a rush. I'm not gonna be going all out on the makeup today because I just want this to be a little simple. I'm just gonna put on a time lapse and I'm gonna go. Okay, my makeup is done. It's quite messy looking, but like that's the way I like it. So I'm gonna go now and I'll see you when I'm already there. Oh my gosh. So what do you think, guys? I finally got the camera that I've always been wanting. Holy crap, this is really fun. Like, what the heck? I'm so excited for this. I'm still trying to get the right angle when I'm vlogging, so that's just gonna be what it's gonna be. So yeah, right now I'm currently arranging my stuff. Like, do you see all of that? That's not great. That's not cute. It's so messy because I have a lot of like packages here from brands, and I'm gonna do a little haul later after I take my makeup off, and you know, because I just got home. I am just gonna do all this and I'm gonna do a haul. Okay, I said I'd do a haul. This is a lot, so let's get started. So here are a bunch of soaps for the shower that I need to make content on, and there's also shower scrub. They have this toner. It's a whitening toner. It has niacinamide, and I'm fairly excited for this because I have here an underarm cream. Like, here you go. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but here you go. And we have here a deodorant from Deodorant, and this is like conditioner with argan oil, and these are both conditioners. They sent me two, and it also comes with the shampoo, which I absolutely adore. Thank you so much, Lux Organics. Anyway, that's it for the haul. So I'm gonna go and have a milkshake or a mango shake, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.